Welcome to this webinar that is in the context of Data Storyteller project. The aim of the project is to strengthen the skills to big data visualization. This webinar is dedicated to digital tools for big data visualization. In the specific, we present to you a digital tool that is Tableau. These are the chapters in which the webinar is divided. At the beginning, we will see the importance of data visualization tools. After, I will introduce some of the most popular data visualization tools. Then we will see the most important characteristics and the different possibilities of representation. And at the end, I will talk about some specific example of big data visualization with Tableau. Data visualization is a visual art that grabs our attention and keeps our gaze on the message. When we see a diagram, we know how to quickly spot trends and outliers. Data visualization tools provide data visualization designers with an easier way to create a visual representation of large datasets. When dealing with datasets that include hundreds of thousands or millions of data points, automating the process of creating a visualization makes a designer's job significantly easier. We can start with the big data visualization digital tools. Before going into the details of Tableau, I give an overview on the main big data visualization tools that are available on the market. First, we talk about Google Charts. That is a powerful free data visualization tool. It is specifically for creating interactive charts for embedding online. It works with dynamic data and it works in browser without the use of additional plugins. There are a variety of charts types, and these charts can be customized completely. But Google Charts is a great option if a designer is somewhat comfortable with the coding and wants a powerful free solution. The second is JupyteR, that is a web-based application and is one of the top-rated data visualization tools that enable users to create and share documents containing visualizations, equations, narrative text, and live code. JupyteR is ideal for data cleansing, transformation, numerical simulation, interactive computing, and machine learning. Dundas BI offers gorgeous maps, interactive scorecards, and charts, and simplifies the complex operation of cleansing, inspecting, transforming, and modeling big data sets. Another tool is Infogram, that is one of the most popular software programs on the internet today. It is a web-based tool for creating infographics and visualizing data. It is primarily needed to assist all users in quickly and simply creating interesting and interactive reports, infographics, and dashboards. There are many tools for data visualization, and here you can see the logos of these tools. Maybe you have already encountered one of these in your experience, but today we will focus on a single of these tools, that is Tableau. Around 63,000 companies across the globe are reported to have been using Tableau. It is easy to use, features, and great compatibility with other software applications has helped leverage the power of visualization in the IT world. In the world of analytics, it is extremely important to pick up the skills of storytelling, and with Tableau, the exercise of storytelling has become quite efficient and interesting at the same time. Tableau has a variety of options available, including a desktop app, server, and hosted online version, and the free public options. There are hundreds of data import options available. The public version of Tableau is free to use for anyone looking for a powerful way to create data visualization that can be used in a variety of settings. They have an extensive gallery of infographics and visualization that have been created with the public version to serve as inspiration for those who have interest in creating their own. The main functions that you find if you go on Tableau sites are Tableau Prep Build, Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Cloud, and Tableau Mobile. With Tableau Prep Build, you can create data flows and filter, split and merge data in a diagram that you can control directly. With Tableau Desktop, you can create interactive dashboard, real-time visual data analysis in a quickly and easy way. You can access different sets of data and combine them with each other without having any programming knowledge. With Tableau Server, all companies are free to explore data in a trusted environment without limiting themselves to questions, chart types, and predefined wizards. Tableau service doesn't force you to choose whether to protect your data or give you the right tools for analysis. You can do both. Tableau Cloud is a fast, flexible, and easy to use self-service platform, and you can prepare data, create, analyze, collaborate, and publish and share. With Tableau Mobile, you can seamlessly navigate content published to your Tableau server or Tableau Cloud sites and easily explore the data. Let's talk about types of visualization. When you think of data visualization, your first thought probably immediately goes to simple bar graphs or pie charts. Simple graphs are only the top of the iceberg. There is a whole selection of visualization methods to present data in effective and interesting ways. Let's see the different possibilities that you have with Tableau. General type of visualization are, for example, chart. In chart, the information are presented in a tabular graphical form with the data displayed along two axes, and it can be in the form of graph, diagram, or map. You can have bar chart, histogram, box and whisker plots, bullet graph, Gantt chart, pie chart. Another general representation is table. Here we have a highlight table, a form of table that uses color to categorize similar data. So we can see and more easily the meaning of the data. Here we see how the maximum temperature varies month by month for all years in the dataset of a country. Another representation is a geospatial visualization that shows data in map for using different shapes and colors to show the relationship between data and the specific location. We can have area maps or tree maps. In this example, we can see the sites of London boroughs. In the first, we have an area map. In the second, we have a picture of a tree map. So we can say that we can have graph, infographic, or dashboard. Graph is a diagram of points, lines, curves, areas that represent certain variables in comparison to each other, usually along two axes and a right angle. Infographic is a combination of visuals and words that represent data. Dashboard is a collection of visualization and data displayed in one place to help with analyzing and presenting data. Every representation has many potential and limits. Let's see, for example, the area maps. There is a big difference between choropleth map and isoplet map, which we can understand in this representation. Both of them are a representation on the map of the same data, but in a different way. And as you can see, there is a right way to represent, to have a good representation. The isoplet map is the good one, and the coloplet map is the wrong one. The first representation and the first example that I present to you is an interactive map by database designer and researcher Justin Fang. It shows the mini migration during a single day in Manhattan. Let's see on web the representation. We can see this representation. We can choose time of the morning, in the morning, in the afternoon, and we can choose the day of the week. We can see how the things change. We can choose the block 2. For example, we can choose Midtown. In this second example, we can see worldwide the roadmap of Baskin's graffiti. We can see the cities where the graffiti are and the story behind all them. The dashboard uses a base map with custom labeling and color coordination between the map and the data. Let's see on web the representation. This is the map, and we can choose a city. And when we choose it, we can see the picture and story. We can return on the home and choose another city. This map is a stunning visualization of data generated from the European Space Agency IPCORS catalog. The map shows 59,921 stars, and you can paint to explore the night sky. You can explore the starry map by dragging and scrolling around. Now we see the sites. As I say, you can do a lot of things. You can have the star names, the constellation name, and we can see how they move in a day. The natural world has recorded the ebb and flow of the climate for millions of years. The Earth has been keeping its own records. This is known as proxy data, indirect records of climate imprinted on different parts of the biosphere. In this in-depth Q&A carbon brief explores what the proxy data is, the different types, how scientists draw climate data from them, and what they can tell us about the Earth's climate in the past, present, and future. Let's see the site. This is the site. Look the map. As I say, we can choose single typologies. And for every, we have the description. There are a lot of information on this map. In this slide, we see the strength of Tableau listed on one side and the limitation points on the right side. What we can say for conclusion is that one of the main advantages of Tableau is that it is easy of use. You don't need to have any coding or programming skill to create stunning and innovative dashboard, charts, maps, and stories with Tableau. You can simply drag and drop data sources, fields, filter, and the visual elements to customize your views and analysis. So I hope that after this webinar, you will try with it and you will have a nice experience. Thank you for your attention.